Hello, my name is Jill Rasmussen. I'm majoring in web design and development, just going for my associates right now. I live in Alamo, Nevada, which is 100 miles north of Vegas, so we're kind of this little dinky, boony town out in the middle of nowhere in rural Nevada. Um, Something interesting about me. Um, I have a lot of interesting things about me. Um, I'm I've been married to my second husband, and so I have the unique experience of being a stepmom. So we have a combined family of 7. I have 3 adult children who are already graduated and out of the house, and one that's getting ready to graduate this year. So they keep us on our toes. My oldest daughter is a student on campus there in Rexburg, and my second oldest daughter just got called to go on a mission to Redlands, California, and my third oldest stepdaughter is at BYU Provo, and so we've just got super busy stuff happening all the time. um, let's see, my experience with web design and development, basically none. I'm just kind of starting. I thought it would be an interesting career for me to do from home as I kind of grow older, and I thought it was something that I could do maybe freelance from my home. So I'm really excited about the field, and I've just started a couple of semesters ago, so it's new to me, but it's fun and exciting, and I've enjoyed programming, and I've enjoyed the design side, so I look forward to continuing to learn, and that's basically my expectation with this class, is just to continue to learn and to grow and to be able to learn at a pace that I can keep up and yet still be stretched. So I don't want something that is so far beyond me that I can't understand it. So that's basically my expectation, is to take me from where I am and get me to where I'm stretching myself and I've learned something and I'm becoming something more than I am. So I look forward to working with all of you guys and getting to know you better over the course of this class. Bye!